tree is annoying, huh?
Could you cut it for me? Sorry. Get the headers.
Creo que quiero una caja de martillo para mirar bien lo que
See, to me, it's all about I want the city in the back.
What is with you? Oh man, little guy I work with, will tell you about this thing, right? The warehouse is super hot. They gonna come and be like, it's just piece of it their work. So we don't do the same thing on all the one year. I'm tired, I swear to I'm looking at my body. I went to the other guy, like, yo, we go back to the sweat like he just crossed the border.
You know what?
Yo, you just
Really? Dog?
right?
Okay, you might have to take him home if you're going to be disruptive. But this tree is in the way, but look to your left. Well, sort of look to your left. Well, if the tree wasn't there, it would be far left. And then a little bit over right here. The design of it.
It is.
Yeah. They're big way out here.
It's like how far away are they all?
I had a cousin from Chicago. What was that ring?
I think a little different perspectives like goes around. Every story in a cigarette out loud.
I've never seen him all the time. Oh, that was pretty. Right. There.
我呢啲248下300，唔係我執低嗰啲。頂佢嗰啲嗰張。
Getting it over there. You love there's like direct import. As long as the movie is See the twirlies to your left? Yeah. Twirlies. I don't know what the problem is.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, see, I'm chilling.
I like looking like it's into the city.
Yeah, it is really cool.
Yeah, it's really cool.
There's a whole. How many people are standing there watching these?
Yeah, it's like all the different perspectives. Think about all the people that are sitting at night under them, the people that are in hotels, like looking out at them.
It's like Love Actually.
Yeah.
All the people that are just in the streets, like how loud it must be.
It just separates your mind.
I was talking about that movie the other day.
That movie did it right because there's so many movies after that that are like,
You put it on night quarter and you're
About that police.
I think it's a helicopter. People pay a lot of money to watch the fireworks that close.
Yeah, you're right.
Somebody could be proposing I wish right now in that helicopter.
You know, it's crazy though. There's some that are so much closer that are something smaller than ones that are really wide. So imagine how big ones
Yeah, like I see some way over there. See him burst?
Lower East Side. Upper East Side.
Oh, you know, I don't even have like a spatial reference.
Yeah, those are cool. I was looking at them, some like layered ones. Yeah.
There's so many to look at. I don't know where to go.
I gotta stay with
It's
that
like a
fire
Cirque du
thing.
Soleil. I don't really, there's so much going on. I'm so overstimulated. I don't know where I should be comfortable.
that's why I was resting over there, because it's
Who said that about yawning?
It's upsetting, I think, isn't it? It's like Karen made me start yawning like an hour ago and now I can't stop.
I am freaking tired.
Oh, Karen she started the Owens.
Sorry, I had a glow stick in my hand.
Karen started the Owens.
I started the cascade, the waterfall of yawns in the girl, and now no one can that one.
That's why I said to your home, she was yours.
Stop it,
It
babe.
might be better on my part to use basket. Stand over here, baby, and you can get it rested. And you can get it going.
Take your bracelet off.
Yeah.
Get him. Get him.
I know, I got the little slap back and it's like, too, like, blah.
It would come to me, right? A bug, right? You don't like us. Oh.
Here, let me try something with a night portrait. Let me try turning it on.
Maybe there are children here.
Sing it. Sing it loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Books.
This is your king industry.
Answer to the man. Starbucks. Books. Chair. I have the remote. It's in the drawer. How come it's not here?
Hey.
I probably have a exact part.
I wonder if Mark and Cassie
Like
boys.
way. You see that right there?
Yeah.
They're everywhere. All you just sort of see them. They sort of remind me of like the little girl.
No. You were a genuine friend. And I have
Somebody burned something down already.
I would have been like, you want tickets? One fucking ticket.
Tonight, yeah, the most flies and the most
Those lost fingers.
Yeah.
yeah, tonight is that night.
Like, I used to say these are good, but one thing I don't like is they don't have the rim. So if I was
And that's how you doing, son. You had no witness that.
Oh.
tattoos. I wish I brought the card. Have like my uncle, you know how they give you like a card? Yeah, like for best $100 I spent in taxes. And it was about like doing good things for yourself, like while you're on the earth.
Thanks, my friend.
Thank you. Getting it on my shoulder or on my wrist. Yeah, but I can't decide where I want it. My parents really can't get mad at me. Right, but they really can't get mad at me. I did it for him, you know.
Well, it's hard to find things that are
Yeah.
but like that have some.
I have 8. I buy all my stuff online. But there's like an outdoor store there. I just know it's gonna hurt my ribs. And they were like 140. And if I get pregnant, I gotta touch it. And I got maybe half off online. Oh, but when I try to learn my ribs,
That's fine. I need to just stop at
like if you have like a good relationship, you just go out and get a hair or something. It's kind of risky.
I don't do as much.
They pretty much just stay suspended.
More barges.
But it's such a sweet, really. See, I was going to do that because I have the shamrock on the side. Imagine that's your job. I'm like big firework.
I know, that'd be awesome.
Like these rings. Like
You only have, to do, you only have one day to do your job right.
I sure would there.
I mean, there's a lot of preparation.
Yeah, right. I mean, it's a big fireworks, and I can hide it by wearing a t-shirt and go in the streets. He thinks I should get on my arm.
Get out of your ribs at me.
No, get on my arm.
Yeah, right here.
I'm definitely You did it. You did it. You did it. You made the final decision. And then once again, I'm getting Serenity tattooed on my wrist. Is that super gay? You're like, yeah, it's a little gay.
It is unless it really is.
No, because I'm fucking, listen, I fucking signed some KYP, like the last couple of months. Like I did.
So yeah. That's one of the ribs. Just have that like this.
Yeah.
Good, because I don't.
Looks like it's that one side. Looks like she likes it.
Oh, it looks like there's multiple lights on the Empire State Building. It's like a light show on the building and stuff.
Yes, I'm streaming it. It's flashing on down. Thank you. See? And look, everyone thinks this one is a shamrock carried at the Seriously? We're becoming the best friends.
like, actually, for Sunday times that we're gonna hang out.
You're gonna learn each other's names and then you're gonna hang out.
I love it. Oh yeah. Oh, we'll see who's corrupting who. Yeah, I was like, I think you guys could both corrupt each other. Don't the blows in my hair.
Are you a corrupter? I'm a corrupter too.
It depends on how we're corrupting. I'm understated. So I'm guessing you're half Italian and half Irish.
Well, 3/4 Italian, 1/4 Irish.
Well, you got it.
There was no way to make like the Italian horn bigger than the shamrock. I like you what? There you go. That's the problem. But I do not like yeah, that's what I thought. Oh yeah, after we made fun of me for that. Excellent.
Yes, we'll go wherever you want to go.
Fucking guy.
What do you have in mind?
Anything close?
Oh, okay.
It's good to see everything, but see
Closeness?
everything far away.
You want to go to Liberty?
I want to feel that shit up on the chest.
Okay. You want to go to Liberty?
You just want to hear a joke? Earplugs, I feel. How come Barbie never got
It's
pregnant?
like your music, right? Just can't feel it.
Ken comes in different box.
I shit you not. That was my first answer. I swear to God, I was like, I just want to have a dick.
Ken comes.
It took me 3 minutes to get it, and then I started dying laughing.
Probably it's another one.
I told everyone at the funeral. Not to lie. So like, I think everyone needs a laugh.
I like it.
Everyone needs a laugh right now. So let's do it.
I'm ready to sit down.
Okay, you want to talk about
Shake it, shake it.
what was that?
No, you gotta do the black girl booty dance like this.
Oh, 6 hours.
No, watch it.
Yes, the twerk. Twerks it.
Oh yeah.
You don't know what twerks in the very end.
Planet.
Hips don't lie.
It's funny. She does
Oh man.
She just makes like a face and how are you, man? Like I got short blonde hair now.
YouTube that shit.
I thought you showed me that.
I did not show you that. That sounds like something you would watch alone, babe.
No. Yeah, it's making me seem like a freak.
What? She's
Yeah, we're all
20.
freaks.
You can.
Yeah, well, I don't need to see him like that. Even if I am. So think about it.
Yeah. That was me on a go before. I was put on the top though. Oh! You know what? You made fun of the cop and nobody still ate it. Oh, I'm eating it.
Yeah, I ate one. It was fantastic.
Yeah? You have the mobile hot.
Yes, I did.
Did you have some mobile? I wish
had
there was something really
Maple
called
House
mobile.
I had the Maple House Maple House Vulcan.
Vulcan?
It was the Vulcan House Vulcan.
I gotta really fuck with that. Yeah, yeah. That car didn't have to wait. Oh, shut up. I have to like really like use my brain power to because I was looking at
Hey, getting that shot, you gotta take back.
Damn it, why is that so easy for us?
Fucking high five.
Yeah, no, don't get
Oh, sorry.
Sister,